Closure of business. Dear employers, the medical benefit scheme should be notified within 10 business days of the temporary or permanent closure of your business. This notification should be done via the submission of a completed Notice of Discontinuation form. This will ensure a proper assessment of the business. Failure to notify the MBS within the stipulated period will result in estimates being applied up to the date of notification. A Notice of Discontinuation form must also be completed when domestic employment ceases, temporarily or permanently. That is, the employer should submit the form if the employee will not be paid for a specific period or the employment has permanently ceased. You must also notify the MBS of other changes in your business, such as business name, directors of the business, reactivation date of the business or company's name and/or physical address. Let's stay connected.